guys are talking about all the rain that you saw this morning driving in. That is possible again this afternoon. Here's the reason why. There's so much moisture in the atmosphere. We've had about like 8 days of a southwest wind with very few breaks in it. Therefore, we are feeling a lot like the tropics, a lot like Florida. And when you get downpours, you get the deluges, you get the subways, flooded, and they can't stop that. The MTA can't stop it. So I'm going to save you some time from tweeting them because it ain't going to be their problem if it happens today, because you don't know where these things are going to pop. And when they do pop with all this moisture, you can't stop it. Flash flooding is just that. You can't stop a flash flood, right? And we have a flash flood watch in place until tomorrow, all because of this stationary front. And we don't know where it's going to be. So I'll tell you today, there's a chance of it. I'll tell you tomorrow, there's a chance of it. Where it's going to happen, I really don't know, because no one knows when a stationary front is going to bring us the thunderstorms. It depends on where it's going. It's not attached to the upper level winds, which tells us where it's going. So it could be anywhere this afternoon. Story number two, what I guarantee you, what I do know is we're going to heat up again. We're going to get really muggy. So right now our temperatures in Poughkeepsie 65. We're at 73 for the Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Queens, Manhattan, 72, Westchester, 72 if you're in Jersey at this hour. So we look at the temperatures today with a southwest wind, and we're going to be somewhere in the upper 70s to the mid 80s, but we're going to feel hotter than that because it's going to be muggy. Today is probably the best day of the next several days because then we start to heat up again. Winds are going to be out of the south-southwest on Wednesday, and that'll give you a feel-like temperature of 90 for Tribeca, Regal Park 91, Hackensack 92, Larchmont 89, Dix Hills 89. You're probably saying, Brian, that's the same stuff you've been talking about all of July. You're correct. And it just doesn't get much better because as we build on this Thursday and Friday out of that southwest wind, that's the transportation of that tropical air from the Gulf of Mexico by way of Florida, through the Carolinas, into the Tennessee Valley and over us. And so you say, well, you got the southwest wind, you're going to be hot again. Yep. We're going to see temperatures in the mid-90s on Friday, and Saturday and Sunday is not looking great either. So the extended forecast, it's, you're going to need the AC. Or find places where it's free for the AC. Today, you might be able to get away with the AC this morning and then later tonight. 85 today. Tomorrow is your only cool day. I stand corrected. Tomorrow will be better, 82, because winds will be out of the east. But then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here we go again, right, with a feel-like heat wave and then some, Marissa.